What is the special in this bike?
The bike, you
What
can,
it does this one?
you can see it's Ebike OS. Ebike OS made by Linux system by our company, and all the e-bike can controlled by electronic, like battery unlock. You can press it. You can see. I will show you again. Battery unlock. You can press it. You see the battery, and you can take it out. And the handlight control, you can see. And highlight.
Oh.
And we also have a radar inside. Radar,
What it does?
like a car radar, you know.
Oh, okay.
If you write it on the road, a car come
On the back?
on the pad, it will show it
Oh,
in the
okay.
screen.
Oh, okay.
And the second one is our mini motor. Our mini motor, we have a mid-drive motor inside.
Oh, okay.
Very small, but it can provide 16 nm.
So how long take battery to charge, and how many mile or kilometers go far?
From 0 to 100% charging, it takes 2 hours 45 minutes.
Okay, and how many kilometer or miles?
The range is 100 kilometers.
100. Okay, that's good. And what's the maximum speed?
Maximum speed in United States is 32 kilometers per hour.
Oh, okay.
In EU is 25.
That's very cool. Nice. What's the name? Is how to
Tezeus.
Tejas.
Yes, Tezeus.